Murzello, and I am a writer. I write for a few outlets, including Bella Magazine and Huff Post Canada. My typical day is not really typical at all. I am a nurse, 9 to 5, and then of course after that I do all my freelance writing. And of course sometimes I fit in the gym as well. So it's a really packed day. My first degree is in nursing, and that's when I came upon writing my book. I wrote a list of characteristics and qualities I was looking for in a potential mate, and it's called the Love List. And that list ended up being over 55 characteristics. And 2 months later, I met the guy of my dreams, and we had a 10-year relationship. And when that ended, I wrote a new list when I turned 30, and it ended up being half those characteristics. Having an ethnic background, my mom is Filipino Chinese, and my dad's Italian East Indian. I'm very much used to travel, and I love that lifestyle. So that came upon visiting different places and being able to experience different cultures, and so that's what I write about a lot as well, is travel and lifestyle and beauty and fashion, because I'm all interested in everything. The fashion style is a little bit mixed of, I think, classic and polished, and I still like to lay back and wear, you know, Lululemons and shirts every now and then, but I tend to gravitate to the more classic side of like blacks and have really fun accessories as well. My beauty routine actually starts with the gym. So I have a personal trainer, and I go to the gym 5 times a week. That also comes with diet, staying away from sugar. And of course, just drinking lots of water, caring for your skin. For hair, I would say, keeping it simple and using products that have really clean ingredients. The most important thing that I do is probably sleep. Get a lot of me time, and just that really prepares me for the day, because my days are quite busy. And another thing is probably water as well, water intake. Those are 2 of the top things that I do, sleep and water. A perfect morning is a Saturday where it starts with sleeping in, a little bit of shopping probably, and then of course sweating it out at the gym. Beauty secrets, I would say, are, just keeping it really simple, not wearing a lot of makeup all the time. When I'm home, I wash my face and I don't wear any makeup, and just not using harsh products on your face and your hair, and really hydrating. That is a beauty secret in itself, is hydrating. Being a nurse enables me to give back, but I think it honestly goes beyond that. You have to actually walk the walk and talk the talk too. So I think I share my stories, and I love hearing other people's stories and reaching out and sharing their stories as well. I think that's really important. Being gracious and being very open with your time and being really respectful, I think, is a part of it. TZ Cal, first and foremost, I love the packaging. I mean, it's very eye-catching. I love the gold and the blue, and my experience has been great. I feel like my hair is shiny and it's not weighed down. It doesn't have some sort of really perfumey smell. And I work in an environment where you really can't have harsh chemicals or harsh smells, because it affects the people around you, it affects the patients and whatnot. So I think it's really important to have those kind of products out there that support natural, healthy environment.